descriptions.
Good. Set descriptions.
One. Set.
Scene.
One. The setting.
The sitting room.
The sitting room of the
king's chambers. That's the sitting room. Sitting room. What is sitting? Family room? Living room? I don't know. Sitting room. Is sitting room a family room? No, sitting room typically not the same as family room. I see. A sitting room is a quiet for the intimate reading. Okay. Okay, sitting room. Yeah, this is sitting room. Okay, sitting room. Yeah, the king's sitting room. Yeah, okay.
S.
What's that?
T. Set.
Teeth.
Tease.
Okay.
And he and his
wife
enjoy teasing each other.
Okay. About
their different
tastes
and music.
Okay, tease.
The other children teased her.
Okay.
To laugh and
criticize. Okay.
Tease.
Okay, let's do another sitting. Okay. I don't only have example.
Sitting.
Sitting room, okay, sitting room. And then another word. King's chambers. Okay. This? No. Yeah, that's King's Chamber. Okay, King's Chamber. What's that?
Sitting.
Yeah.
Sitting.
Okay, sitting.
Chamber.
Okay.
the meetings.
Meetings. Okay, for the meetings. Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
I think this one is the
Usually
usually
large room where members of the government
group having.
meetings.
Okay,
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
okay, a large room. Okay, a large room. Okay, can spell.
CHAMBER. Chamber.
Okay, chamber. So the sitting room of the king's
Chambers. The room is
decorated
decorated with very
fancy
fancy furniture and candles.
yeah,
Several large paintings of the king and
vases.
Vases of flowers. One wall is covered with a
Vine. No. Cannot change it. This keyboard is so slow. What's that?
chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
chamber,
Chamber.
Okay, it's a large room. Okay.
velvet,
Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet. A soft type of clothing.
Okay, usually with the fibers on one side. Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet.
velvet,
Velvet.
Yeah, that's a velvet curtain. Velvet curtain. Some
Velvet curtain. A large pile of gold coins is on a table.
on a table.
The
Entries. Okay, you get into. There's entries to the room. You see, that's entries. Entries. That's how.
velvet,
velvet.
velvet,
Gold.
velvet,
Velvet. A soft type of
Clothes.
entrance,
Entrance.
entrance,
Entrance.
entrance,
Okay,
Something such as a door that is used for
entering.
something.
Okay,
The main entrance is
entrance.
on the
Left.
side.
Okay,
entrance,
Entrance.
entrance,
Entrance.
entrance,
Entrance.
can spell.
ENTRANCE. Entrance.
Okay, Yeah, what's that?
Door.
Gateway. Yeah, it's entrance. Much. Okay, the entrance.
The entrance is on the right side of the stage. The king's bedroom is
Off stage.
off stage.
Okay, it's not you cannot see, but you can make you feel like it's on the other side, off stage. Off stage. No. What's
Entrance.
entrance?
Entrance.
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 okay? The place of entry. Okay.
Something such as a door.
Okay.
The main entrance is on the left side.
Entrance.
Can
Entrance.
spell it?
ENTRANCE. Entrance.
Okay. Off stage.
Off stage.
Off
Off
stage.
stage.
Off
Off stage.
On part of the stage, not
Visible
to the
audience. So when you see that the audience feel the king's bedroom is on the left side of the stage.
Off stage. Off stage. Off stage.
Can spell?
OFFSTAGE. Off stage.
Okay. You cannot see it. Okay. You just feel like that off stage. Okay.
Backstage.
Okay, I think that's good. Off stage. So the king's bedroom is
Off stage to the left.
okay.
Same to the same setting. Sitting room.
Okay.
Oops.
Props.
Pops for scene 2. I hate had
Handheld.
handheld.
Okay. A handheld. Handheld. People hold it. Okay. That's a handheld device. Handheld. Mirror. Okay. The handheld. You say you hold it to use it. A handheld. What's that?
Off stage.
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 Part of the stage, not
Visible.
invisible
Okay. The audience cannot see it. Visible.
to the
Audience. The backstage. Actually, he said backstage. I think that's very good.
backstage.
Okay. Hand held. Okay.
Handheld.
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 Okay. Designed.
To be used while the hand and your hands.
Okay.
Adjective.
Okay, can spell it.
HANDHELD. Handheld.
Okay, handheld, like a phone. A phone is a handheld device. Okay, I think we stop